This is a big enterprise operating in South Korea's southeastern city of Changwon. The company has recently installed a 70 megawatt-per-hour energy storage system. The ESS is a kind of rechargeable battery. The system is designed to capture energy produced at nighttime for use during daylight hours. Users can cut their electric bills by using nighttime electricity, and using ESS equipment gives them additional discounts.
기존의 전력을 사용하는 것과 비교하면 최소 10%에서 12% 정도의 전력 요금 절감 효과를 기대하고 있습니다.
This is an auto part company in the country's southeastern city of Daegu. They uses a 1.5 megawatt-per-hour ESS equipment.
한전에서 여름철 또는 동계철 그 전력 수급에 비상이 걸릴 경우 저희들이 그것들을 해소할 수 있는
Local businesses are seen competing to install ESS facilities because of the benefits of using them, which include energy savings and power cost reductions. During the first half of this year, a total of 1.8 gigawatt-hour ESS facilities were supplied domestically, and the figure tops the 1.1 gigawatt-per-hour mark over the past 6 years. The number of Korean companies using the ESS facilities has sharply been increasing in line with the government's new and renewable energy policy.